Now comes our latest and potentially most life-altering and successful product ever, the Exer, which utilizes Nims' patented technology called acceleration therapeutics.
Now, here's HealthCast with Marilyn Mitchell.
By now, we all know the health benefits of exercise, but for some people, just walking is almost impossible. However, a new device is helping these folks exercise with ease. Two men, two different medical problems.
In 1987, 15 years ago, I had a triple bypass.
I developed Parkinson's syndrome.
Yet, both of these individuals are undergoing the same non-invasive drug-free treatments using the Exer technology. The inventor of the Exer and all of Nims' revolutionary medical devices is a distinguished and highly honored physician, Dr. Marvin Sackner.
The Exer simulates aspects of exercise, but instead of being upright and actively moving, the individual lies horizontally on a comfortable mattress, placed on a motorized platform that moves his or her body passively back and forth repetitively from head to foot. The Exer replicates the beneficial internal effects of aerobic exercise by promoting release of substances from the inner lining of blood vessels into the bloodstream. These substances widen blood vessels, improve blood flows to organs, and suppress inflammation. Blood levels reached with each 45-minute session on the Exer are equivalent to 45 minutes of moderate to brisk exercise without any effort on the part of the subject. Such changes are especially important for people who are not physically active or unwilling to exercise on their own. Exer provides a safe, complementary, or alternative means to gain the daily internal benefits of exercise for prevention and treatment of most chronic diseases.
Doc says the machine increases the pulse rate, which in turn sends more blood flowing through the body, reinvigorating vital organs. His studies show 180% more blood being pumped to the brain, 90% more to the heart, and 50% more to the liver, spleen, and other organs.
Exciting studies have been ongoing at world-class institutions such as the University of Pennsylvania School of Medicine, Mount Sinai Medical Center of Greater Miami, Carnegie Research Institute at Leeds Metropolitan University, Kyoto University Graduate School of Medicine, Philadelphia College of Osteopathic Medicine, University Hospital of Zurich, and the Muhammad Ali Parkinson Institute in Phoenix. Exer is continually being tested for improving patient outcomes in rheumatologic, neurological, and cardiovascular diseases, as well as for prevention and treatment of acute athletic injuries.
Bill, who could barely walk 40 yards before without running out of breath, has seen a tremendous difference.
I find that walking to my car, I have to walk up a ramp in the garage, and I find that I don't have to stop 3 times.
Ron's convinced too. Instead of walking hunched over with a shuffle, after a dozen sessions he stands straighter and walks better.
The side effects of anti-inflammatory medications such as steroids and NSAIDs are commonly known. We developed the Exer with the hopes of reducing the level and frequency of their use. Nims is offering the Exer to patients that are having difficulties with their current drugs or people who do not wish to be on a drug regimen for the rest of their lives and would like to try an alternative therapy for dealing with the disorders that they may have.
The Exer provides whole-body periodic acceleration therapy to patients suffering from debilitating conditions by moving the whole body repetitively head to foot at approximately 140 times a minute. The repetitive motion of the Exer adds pulses to your natural vascular pulse with each acceleration and deceleration of the body. These additional pulses act on the inner lining of blood vessels throughout the body to increase pulsatile shear stress, resulting in the release of many beneficial mediators into the bloodstream, the most important being nitric oxide.
This next health story is a little strange. Did you ever think that you'd live to see the day when you could get the benefits of aerobic exercise just by lying down in your bed, just relaxing? Well, that day is here, according to a couple of local doctors. They've created an unusual device they say is a weapon in the war against physical inactivity.
It does not make you lose weight. but it increases blood flow to all the areas of the body. It increases mobility of the joints, and it adds into the circulation the beneficial mediators.
Studies have already shown that exercise helps to prevent and treat diseases like coronary artery disease, hypertension, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, and diabetes too.
The Exer Rest is currently being marketed internationally as a Class 2A medical device as an aid to improve circulation and joint mobility, as well as reduce musculoskeletal pain and inflammation. Nims is presently undergoing clinical trials for FDA approval in the United States. Worldwide, many millions of people suffering from disorders associated with inflammation, pain, and lack of energy can potentially lead better, fuller lives after treatments on the Exer Rest.
Our research is proving that whole-body periodic acceleration therapy, when using the Exer Rest, is a revolutionary form of therapeutics. When using the Exer Rest, adults of any age who are incapable or unwilling to exercise will get the same beneficial effects from substances released into the bloodstream as derived from daily jogging or running.
Treatments on the Exer Rest are comfortable and invigorating, as the patient gets to relax on a memory foam mattress while listening to their favorite music if they so desire. The Exer Rest is compact, comparable to the size of a treadmill, and can be set up in almost any doctor's office, clinic, home, gym, or spa. Many patients treated on the Exer Rest have achieved remarkable improvements in mobility and lessening of pain. And most report more enthusiasm and energy.
Today's patients are demanding clinically proven, effective alternatives to drugs and surgery. Nims is poised to be the global leader in providing safe, non-invasive treatments that dramatically improve the quality of life for those faced with a lifestyle change and suffering from many of the world's most common and most chronic disorders.
Nims is a leading non-invasive, evidence-based medical device company committed to discovering, developing, and marketing new, innovative products that address debilitating medical conditions that improve the health and quality of life for those faced with lifestyle change and the medical needs of the healthcare professionals who treat them. With eyes to the future, Nims is focused on continuing its research for innovative, non-invasive solutions that power a new dimension in wellness for all lifestyles and physical abilities.